swing. Nick's Nightclub. Who's this? You better know. Miss Stephanie. Don't worry about me. I'm here for her. We are here to show you yet another West Coast swing dance sequence that we taught for our class at Nick's. First time ever taught here. Taught it sometime last year in a different location, first time here. Hope you like it if you didn't see it that first time. What it starts out with, at the end of the sugar push, gentlemen, leaders, just switch hands into her right with your right, okay? Just as she anchors, just switch hands. If you have another cooler way to get into it, by all means, do so. But get into a right to right just to begin this particular count. Walk, 1, 2, bring her forward, guys off the track to your right. 1, 2, all right? It's just front to back so you can just see that part. Leaders get off the track, which is hers anyway, and walk her twice, okay? From there, full turn to the ladies' left on 3 and 4. We're going to show you that part and then break it down. It's hard to stop because you're right in the middle of the fun part. So sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to come around here in a second. I'm going to take my left arm. By 4, you want the back of her left tricep. So as she's coming past you guys, you're actually going to start to cross over the track. So it's easier to see from this direction how I cross. So I switch hands, which I just did, and I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So over my head, which is her right hand, over, and then again, walk her full turn. And as she's starting that half turn still, you're going to have to stop her and connect with her left tricep with your left hand. So a little bit quicker. And if you notice, I kind of walked past her and I'm off to the other side of the track. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. By 4, on my left foot, she's on her right, I've crossed, getting ready to cross. So it might be easier to see me go across by 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right? Hard to do in the middle. But when you get to 4, we're going to add 2 walks. It's a rock step. We're going to add that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So once that arm is over my head, I can let go of it because now I'm connected with the back of her left arm. All you're going to do on that 4th count, after you connect with it, 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're going to push her back. 5, I come forward and then rock her forward. I rock back. So it's a rock step. Got to make sure you have that arm. No death grip. She won't dance with you. Trust me. Sugar push. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Now I'm still off to her left. Do you like this move so far? She keeps track. Give us a thumbs up. She really does keep track. She knows me good. Sugar push. 3 and 4. Right to right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So I'm really off the track, giving her the freedom to do the next part. The next part's a series of triples, but we're just going to do the next one. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So she comes around, does a triple, guys. You're coming around also doing a triple count and catching her. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Half turn to her right, guys, come around. Triple step. I'm just tripling back to the side, staying on her right side. And then as she's coming to the left, do another triple. Triple, give her a push. Then end the move. So it's a bunch of triples, 3 in a row. Guys, stay off the track to the last one and push her back to where it started. Sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Give her a push, center through. Okay. It's an arm catch. Sugar push, 3 and 4, right to right, 1, 2, 3 and 4, rock, step, triple, triple, center pop. All right, let's go this direction here. Just center right to right. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Bring her forward, lower back. Give her another triple. Center through. Okay? It's a really cool move. It works really well to a slow song, to a fast song. But you gotta work on it. Right to right. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock, step. Give her a catch. Turn her back. Voila. Thank you, my dear. Hope you like it, guys. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. We'll have a new video for you next week, every Thursday and 2 Sundays a month. That's why we do what we do. Have a great night as always. Thank you for watching, and never forget, keep dancing.